For months, Samsung Reminder has been my only reminder app, and I'm here to inform you not to sleep on it. Here's a complete guide on using Samsung Reminder. So, let's get started. Let's open it and see what we're dealing with. Don't worry if you find too many options. We'll cover everything. This is its interface. On the top are some categories that I've created. As I scroll, I'll find each reminder on a card. To change the view to a list, tap here and then tap view. Choose list from here. This menu also has some more options. The completed reminders are hidden, but you can display them. Now scroll down to see them all. From the left menu, we can filter reminders. Next to each filter, you will see the number. The red time and date indicate that this reminder is overdue. So there are multiple ways to add a reminder. Tap this plus icon to add one. The top is the title. Let's put in something. The app supports subtasks. I usually don't add any, but tap this icon to add. We can add a photo with the second icon as well. Then is the date and time. Choose when you want to be reminded. The app has many repetition options. Picking one will bring its own choices. For example, the week one will ask for the day and until when you want to be reminded. The year one will have the date reminder or the day reminder. Samsung Reminder has three priority options. The default is medium from the settings. This priority shows the reminder on the screen and makes a sound. Finally, the default category is My Reminders, but you can add categories from here. Let's add one quickly. Give it a name, choose a color, and pick an icon for it. We can share this category with others, but that's for later. You can make this reminder important by starring it. Here we go. It's been saved. When a new reminder is created or updated, an orange icon is displayed next to the title. The reminder has been created, but this was not the fast way. The fast way is using the natural language. Tap the row to add a reminder. We'll type the title. Then put in the time or date here and reminder will pick it up. Let's say I put Sunday here. We'll see it highlighted. Then put the due time after a space. Now save it to see its magic. Great! It did not save the date and time. That's because in the settings, I have this option checked. If you want to save the date and time with the title, leave it unchecked. The last way is to use Bixby. Wake it up by saying the command. Then tell it to make a reminder with the due date and time. A location-based reminder is a great way to do stuff when you get to a place. You will need to give it the full location permission to work. Also, when the place option is set, time and date options are no longer valid. Let's see an example. This reminder already has a place set. You set the location here by putting the address. Then this radius will adjust your distance to the place. We also get when I arrive and when I leave to specify when this reminder will play. Another condition is time. It has a few categories to ensure that the reminder only goes off at specific times. When it's time for a reminder, it will make a sound and display it like this. We can either swipe the complete button or the ignore button. The snooze option can snooze reminders for up to an hour. You can also open the app and tap the circle icon to complete a reminder. All the reminder settings are here. You see those presets? You will see the same times while creating a reminder. You can adjust those if you mostly pick a specific time. The same goes for place presets. Then we can adjust the default alert type. I think medium will be the best choice. We can change the background color of the reminder. Other options are here for you to explore. Moving on, Samsung has partnered with Microsoft in reminders and we can see our Microsoft to-do task in reminder and vice versa. However, there is a problem. Let's connect an account. You need to sign into your Microsoft account by entering your email and then your password. Then accept the permission. Now we see our Microsoft email here. That means both are connected. However, the issue is that I can see my to-do task in reminder, but I could not see my reminders in to-do. Maybe I'm missing something, but it has been like this for days. Next, we'll quickly see how to share a category with other Samsung users. Go to all categories and then hold the one you want to share. Tap the edit button. Then tap this share button. The app will show all the contacts who have a Samsung account. Pick a contact and then invite. They must approve this invitation in the Reminder app. Once they do, they will have access to this list. The user can create reminders, edit them, and mark them as complete. On the same topic, I want to show you that sharing a reminder is also possible. However, it only shares the reminder title. Click share and then choose the app. Great!